Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you can make an AI or an NPC follow you in Castle Make and Play. So first you want to add the basic character that you're gonna use, and then add another one which we're gonna turn into the NPC. Next, change how the NPC looks like. You can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna turn him red so that we can tell which is the NPC and which isn't. After you're done with that, you can change his name to NPC. You don't have to do this, but I think it's gonna help you so that you can tell which is which by the name. And you're gonna remove the analog stick behavior. Go to logic, make a new rule that is when it's created. Find move towards the closest actor with a tag. Select the character tag and change the movement speed to 1. Warp in the repeat every seconds, and then warp in the condition. Set the condition if an expression meets that condition. Set the expression to distance between these two actors. Set to myself and the closest actor with a tag character. Then put in make it less than or less or equal. It doesn't really matter that much. And you can put this is like the distance, it can see you're there, so you can put whatever you want, but I'm just gonna put 5. Then add disable a behavior, and the behavior will be the slow down. Add else, and then enable a behavior slowdown. And that's it. You have your NPC now. It follows you when you're close enough, and not when you're far enough, like this. You see, now it doesn't follow you until I get into the range.